Baby, I've been making plans for you. Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming back to the Moses Show. Today is Saturday, and that's the second chapter into why you should consider getting married. Let's do it. Today, we're talking about the second reason as to why you should consider getting married, and that is health benefits. Okay? If you get to be married, there are a lot of health benefits that you don't have to worry about. And also, you don't have to worry about your mental health. Oh, man, yeah. Let me be honest with these people, man. But you shouldn't have to worry about your mental health. Let's put it that way. You shouldn't have to worry about your mental health. And you shouldn't have to worry about your life expectancy because of due to infidelity or STDs and things like that. You shouldn't have to worry about like crazy amount of discomfort or miscommunication and things like that, especially like on long-term goals and stuff like that. Like those things should be very aligned between you guys. And also, you shouldn't have to worry about having a healthier lifestyle because you actually moving in life in the same frequency. Therefore, there should be a basic understanding as to what should be good for you and what should not be good for you, and all the planning that should be done for a better future. You guys should be able to go through those things together. And it's great having a partner where you have to, if you're moving at an angle, they can, push you a little bit and make sure you're straight. You feel me? So, and if you were to get sick, at least you have somebody next to you that, supportive, and be there with you. And because of that, you'd be surprised. You'd have a quicker recovery. If you did not have somebody next to you, you would have all those physical discomfort, and you would have a lot of mental discomfort too, because you don't have anybody that could comfort you during your downtime. You feel me? And as a man, it feels so very good to be the man of your household. Like you're in control of almost everything. And you get to put things in order, and then you get to be that man. You feel me? And it boosts your testosterone level, and that is the second reason why you should get married. Health reasons. The Moses Show, as always, I got you.